So DoctorX trading starts December 17th of this month, and deposit is now open on Gate.io for trading. So you can deposit your DoctorX to your Gate.io account. So welcome everyone to Digital City. So first time of coming across my channel, I want to assure you are going to get value for your time. Make sure you subscribe, like a video, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. There are a lot of opportunity you are missing because you are not getting the right information, and probably you're also getting those information very late. So there are a lot of money you can actually make online if you have access to the right information at the right time. So therefore, what you need to do, check the link in the description of this video and find yourself in my Telegram channel. So now you can now deposit your DoctorX into Gate.io exchange for trading. And for you to get that done, the first thing you need to actually do is to have a gas fee, and the gas fee is in EGLD. And the gas fee you actually need is less than $1. But if you want to buy, you can buy $1 worth of gas fee. So when you buy from exchange, you can just come here, just click on EGLD, then copy your wallet address so that you can send the gas fee. You can see this is your EGLD wallet address, so you can copy it. Then you go to any exchange that you have, you buy the EGLD, then you send it there. So if you need subsequent video on how to actually get the gas fee, you can drop it in the comment section so that I'm going to make video to actually teach you how to get your gas fee. You get that? So now for us to send our DoctorX to Gate.io, these are DoctorX, we need to copy our wallet address from Gate.io. So let's go to our Gate.io account. So these are the Gate.io account. What you need to do is to come to deposit. You can see deposit here. So you click on deposit, then you click on on-chain deposit. So when you click on the on-chain deposit, the next thing you need to do is to search for DoctorX. So you're going to search for DRX. So you can see DoctorX. So click. Then here you can see the wallet address. So this is the wallet address, and the network is this EGLD. You get it? So you copy the wallet address, then you proceed back to your exporter wallet. So what you need to do, you just select DoctorX. So these are DoctorX that I want to send. So you select it, then here you can see receive, then send. So we are sending. So I'm going to click on what? Send. So after clicking on send, here you need to determine how much of DoctorX token you want to send. So here, let me put 50,000. Okay. So then you click on continue. So when you click on continue, here is a space to put the wallet address you copy from Gate.io. So I'm going to paste the wallet address that I copied. So I've pasted it, then I click on what? Next. Very easy. So I click on next. Then this is the confirmation page. You can see the gas fee I'm paying now. Very little gas fee. Then I click on what? Send. I will enter my the password. Then boom, it's sent. You get that? So in like 1 minute or 2 minutes, my Gate.io account will be credited. So I'm going to show you. DoctorX has arrived at Gate.io. So let's check. You come to asset. You can see assets here. So when you come to assets, you can just you can see account. See account, then you see crypto. So just select crypto, then just scroll down, then you see your DoctorX cooling down, waiting for trading. You get that? So then you can also come to spot trading here. You can see spot. If you come to spot trading, spot here at the top, just click, then scroll down. You're going to see your DoctorX cooling down for trading. So do wait to like, subscribe to our channel. More importantly, find yourself in my Telegram channel. Link in the description of this.